Hey, and now we're getting our hands dirty here at Diesel Technology. We're hanging out with Charles, who's a student here. So Charles, just give us a little bit of your background and why you chose this program.
Kind of been around diesel, been around mechanicking my whole life. A lot of family members did it, a lot of farming, learning about tractors since I was a little kid. Brought me closer to it and want to get back into farming eventually. It's the perfect way to get back into it.
So what has been one of your favorite aspects of learning here?
I really like learning here because when you get into like tough situations, when you don't know it, like some of the stuff's pretty hard to understand sometimes. We get to do a lot of hands-on with the teachers. Teachers always get to be there, so they can always walk us through situations. Really helps a lot when you come to learning about this stuff.
I mean, when I'm walking around here and I see these big engines like that, I'm like, how can you remember all that?
It just kind of comes with it, and you do it enough, it starts to just be like muscle memory in you. You just get to thinking, you're like, okay, at first you'll look at it and be like, oh, I could never figure that out. And then once you do it a couple times, then it's like, oh, this ain't that hard.
Okay, so they help break it down for you.
Oh, yeah.
And now coming into this, were you able to apply for scholarships?
Yep, I actually got the Build Dakota.
You did?
Yep.
Wow, so what does that entail then?
The Build Dakota, it covers your tuition, tools, books. It's a full ride scholarship, really helps out, especially in this career field because tools, they really add up fast.
Oh, sure.
So, and to get that, and it's perfect for this career field. This is a perfect program. The teachers are really good. You will come out of here knowing everything you need to know to go make a lot of money in this field. What I like about this program is there's a lot of things that go into it. You got to have a lot of hands-on knowledge with this program. Where some of the stuff you need to know a lot about the book part of it. This, you got to know a lot of hands-on and have a lot of the muscle memory, embedded in you. Like, all right, I've done this. It comes apart like this. Which there's some reading that goes into this too, but a lot more of this is more hands-on. Get your hands dirty and figure it out.
Like you said, let's get a shot of the hands. We couldn't even shake hands, y'all, okay? We couldn't even bump elbows because he's covered. But it comes with the overalls, right?
Yep.
That's why you wear them.
Oh, yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
Yeah.